When installing over exterior masonry, we start with installing 3.5-inch vertical furring strips. These have been pre-drilled, and those holes act as a template to locate and drill the anchor points into the masonry. The furring strip creates a control layer in the form of a gap. The gap also allows the 16-gauge stainless steel finish nails to pass through the panel the evolved stone is fastened to. Countersinking may be used to recess the screw head flush to the surface of the vertical furring strip. With the masonry bit, we drill the appropriate depth to install a concrete screw. A contractor or engineer may need involvement in the fastening schedule in your building zone. Code and conditions may apply. Using a level helps you maintain the layout. A 1/2-inch KDAP, kiln dried and treated, wood panel should be used when using the evolved stone over the masonry. Using a masonry bit and drill, the concrete screw is fastened into the panel through the furring strip and attached into the masonry. Now that we have our substrate in place, we're ready to install evolved stone using the same instructions for exterior use.